pediatrician and nutrition expert, and this is my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, as I'll be sharing a lot of interesting and healthy recipes, especially for your kids. You all make curd rice at home, don't you? Curd rice is a very wholesome meal, as it has carbs, proteins, vitamins and also probiotic benefit given by curd. It is an excellent weaning food. Today we are going to make curd rice. But you will say, what is so special? Yes, indeed it is special. I am going to add a lot of nutrition to this curd rice. So let us learn how to make my style curd rice. Today's recipe of curd rice is especially for toddlers, as I have made lot of modifications so that these children can eat the rice properly. I have not used whole ground nuts, as we do not use whole nuts for children less than 3 years of age. So friends, see this recipe. Before we begin with today's recipe, I would tell you some tricks to make thick curd at home. Let us see the ingredients required for this curd rice. We will require 2 katoris of cooked rice, 1 katori of homemade curd, this is thick homemade curd, 2 tablespoons of grated carrots. As this recipe is especially made for toddlers, I have grated carrots, then half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of methkut. Methkut is a Maharashtrian lentil spice mix. It is very healthy, as it has combinations of dals also with digestive factors. So methkut is given to small children. I have used this methkut to increase the nutritive quotient of my curd rice. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of groundnut powder. In normal curd rice, we put roasted groundnuts, but as whole nuts are not to be given to children less than 3 years, I have made groundnut powder and I am going to add to this curd rice. Then this is a pinch of hing or asafoetida. Then this is 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of jeera. These are 8 to 10 curry leaves. Then this is 1 teaspoon of ghee, then 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 katori of milk. Let's prepare the tempering for this rice. I have kept one kadhai on my flame. To this I am adding ghee. Ghee is very beneficial for kids, as it makes the food energy dense. So always include some amount of ghee in diet. Then I'll add mustard and jeera, hing and curry leaves. I'll switch off the flame and keep it for cooling. If you are making it for bigger kids or adults, you can even add chana dal, urad dal, red chilies and groundnuts in tempering. But as I am making it for toddlers, I have not added all these things into the tempering. We'll keep the tempering for cooling, and now we'll mix the rice ingredients. Now first I'll take rice. Curd rice is a complete meal by itself, as it has proteins, it has carbs, and by adding ghee, we are also adding fats to it. Now I will add curd to this rice. Nutritionally, curd has all the nutritional factors of milk, plus it has probiotic effect. Now I'll add all the other ingredients. First I will add salt, Then I'll add sugar. Sugar gives it a nice taste to this rice, and also we are making it for kids, so this salty and a little bit sweet taste, kids like it. Now groundnut powder. Adding groundnut powder also increases the nutrition quotient of this rice. Now methkut, that is the Maharashtrian lentil spice mixture. And carrots. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of carrot. So friends, this is a nutritionally complete one pot meal. And my twist was to add carrots, groundnut powder and methkut to the rice. So let us add milk. Our curd rice is now almost ready. Carrot is giving vitamin A to kids. Then methkut, which is a lentil and spice combination, it is giving proteins, plus it has ingredients like hing, jeera, which improves the digestion of kids. Curd, again proteins, carbs, vitamins and also probiotics. So this is a complete meal. Now let us mix the tempering to this curd rice. Always remember that whenever you are adding tempering to curd, make it cold and then only add. Never add hot tempering to curd. Now if you want, you can add extra milk. While giving to kids, you can remove the curry leaves, or you can make a fine powder of curry leaves and then give it to kids. Our healthy bowl of curd rice is now ready. So hope friends you like this curd rice. It is rich in nutrition and at the same time it is very easy for digestion. So it can be used as a weaning food too. Only one tip I would like to give for using it as a weaning food. When you are making it for weaning food, cook the rice little bit extra so that the rice becomes soft and you need not grind it from mixing. So surely try my style curd rice and give me your feedback. I'll be sharing lot of nutritious recipes in my further videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.